Alright. Start with the cans as usual. New logo. That's the first one we've seen with the new logo. Congratulations. That's a lot quicker than I thought it was going to be.
Why couldn't they get Tom around?
Nope, they stick with the same machines. When the store's down, they stay with them.
Heal before use in RVM.
And we have a new printer.
The hell is this for?
Now we're going to move over to the classic right here. Let's see if it takes CBS. Damn it. Big smash. People bring America's choice here. Oh, Jesus. Shit, the machine's gonna shut itself down.
Envipco quality, people.
Yep, just shut itself down. Hang on. There we go.
Envipco quality.
And it stole my nickel right there, too.
And these are
It
brand...
stole my nickel, so watch this. Wait.
Ah, you're an ass.
I forget it. That's everything. Now we're going to the glass. Okay, hold on. Do you still have your credit on this? Because we're up to it.
No, she's...
Oh, they only have one glass machine now. They used to have two. Right there, right there.